With our Brizy Cloud free platform, you can create unlimited websites and external pop-ups for free. So why consider going pro? With Pro, you can step up your client engagement to another level as you'll have access to unlimited sub-accounts. And that is perfect for client management and for each client, their own team. Pro also allows for bringing in your custom domain, which is essential when building out sites for clients. On top of that, you get access to the Pro version of our Brizy Page Builder. That includes on-click pop-ups, native pop-ups with triggers and conditions, Pro building elements, Pro design blocks, and full layout templates for you to begin building an entire website with. Not to forget, with Brizy Cloud Pro, you also have the ability to integrate your favorite mailer into the form builder. To sign up for Pro, head over to brizy.cloud. Choose between the personal and studio plans according to your needs. If you are primarily focused on clients, we highly recommend you go for the studio package. And that's it. Now you are a Pro user and you have full access to all the current and upcoming features as they roll out. And speaking of upcoming features, we are working hard on various exciting add-ons to the cloud platform. So make sure you subscribe to our newsletter and the YouTube channel to stay on top of the latest updates. Links are in the description below. Visit us today at brizy.cloud to learn more about this amazing website creation platform and sign up for a free account if you first want to give the platform a test drive before diving into the Pro version. Brizy Cloud, taking your website making to new heights.